Hey everyone, this is Monique and welcome back to my channel. Ang topic natin today for our vlog number 5 ay Craft With Me Halloween Special. Yung episode natin today medyo exciting kasi bukod sa Halloween special siya at medyo spooky yung theme o yung setting natin, medyo kinakabahan din ako talaga kasi first time ko nagagawin tong voodoo doll pendant. Hindi pa ako nakagawa ng voodoo doll pendant before. Bali sa pendant number 1, gagamit tayo ng crafting wires. Bali, ang technique na gagamitin ko dito ay wire wrap technique. And yung pendant number 2 naman natin, gagamit tayo ng mga recycled materials. Yung mga old jewelry or materials ko, doon tayo kukuha ng mga spare parts nitong voodoo doll na gagawin natin for number 2. that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog number 5 tungkol sa Craft With Me Halloween Special. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you'll get notified every time I upload new videos. And if you have any questions about fashion jewelry making, beads and accessories, just comment down below and I'll try my very best to answer all of them as much as I can. Again, this is Monique. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!